Nice. I used to call him Douglas Ngori. When I came back from the US, I lived in the US for a long time, more than 10 years. When I came back, I found you people calling him Dagy Nice. And I asked him, where is Dagy Nice coming from? I love you. I love you. I'll always love you. Thank you so much. Sorry, what? Dagy Nice, his family is here. If I call them on the stage, there are so many. Stand up and wave. Nakawango, Nsube, Mwenge. Stand up and wave. We are 3 families. Nakawango, Nsube, Mwenge. And they are all here. Another thing I want to tell you. Dagy Nice took over my genes. You know why? He took over my genes. I used to have a club in Jinja called Tilapia Resort Beach. And I used to be the DJ, myself, and the MC. And then when I was in the US, the 10 years I told you, 14, I used to have a small bar where Ugandans came and danced. Thank you. And my other son, Brian and Jonah, they used to have a bar in Kampala called Laughters, you know it? Brian is my first son, he's here. Brian, wait. It's there. So this thing runs in the gene. It's in our blood. So I don't want to bore you. I want to thank you so much for turning up. Dagy Nice, thank you for making me proud. I didn't know I would ever be on a stage like this. Me, myself, I'm a modern father. I'm a modern dad. I do things with my children. I like dancing, I like going out, I like swimming, I like sauna, I like steam. Whatever you do, I love. Thank you.
Daddy, 1 minute. This Musisi has a gift for you. This one reads from Ginger. Originally Ginger. Abedinda muliwa. This one is from this Musisi. Omwana wa Idinda originally.
Yeah. DJ. I want to sing something and you follow me. Will you follow? Okay, I'm singing you one Soga song. One Soga song. Will you follow? DJ, follow me. Bana tusangaire, bagere tusangaire, Okuva tusangaire, bagere tusangaire, Okuva abagere baisu, bagere tusangaire, Okuva abagere baisu, bagere tusangaire, tusangaire, bagere tusangaire. Thank you.
Make some noise for my dad in the building tonight. Make some noise for my dad in the building tonight. And now listen, before I officially sign out, a special thank you to my sponsors of the night, Pepsi Cola, Airtel, Bell Lager, Spot TV, my family from NTV. And then of course I want to say thank you so much for believing in me.